Hey everybody, Greenbird here. Thanks for watching. I wanted to make this video real quick, Kenton. When I was going over the kit that I had sent you, or that I will be sending you, I forgot a very, very essential part of the kit, and that is this pressure flaker. So this is a pressure flaker that I will be handing down to you. It's served me very, very well. It is, I believe, Delrin or Derlin, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but basically it's a composite plastic. It has some Allen bolts in here. I've included the wrench right here, and there's a copper nail that's in the middle, and what happens is as you use that copper nail, it will shrink and you'll need to pop it up. One thing that I will tell you, I've included some copper coated BBs, and that is because I have learned the hard way that it's best as you pull that copper nail up, drop a couple of BBs in there, because what happens is these Allen bolts that secure this nail, if there's no back pressure, when you're pushing down on it, it will push in and slide on those nails, and on those bolts, and it will create additional pressure. The more you tighten it to kind of counteract that pressure, you'll eventually end up stripping the threads inside this. So my advice is definitely, as you need to pull this nail up a little bit more, drop a couple of those copper BBs in there, so it gives it that, at least that back support. So when the Allen bolts are clamping in on the copper nail, it's just securing it from moving and not not trying to keep it from moving up and down, because it just won't happen. It'll strip out, and I've stripped out several pressure flakers before I learned that lesson. In fact, that's why I now use I make my own wooden pressure flakers. In there, it's a friction fit system where I friction fit a shim, a piece of wood, a toothpick or a piece of wood, whatever it is, in there on top of those copper BBs, and this works amazing. I love these. Actually really, really love those. But for the sake of ease, I'm going to pass this down to you with the Allen wrench, so you'll be able to have that for pressure flaking. And I'm going to put a couple of videos together of just pressure flaking blanks, obsidian blanks, and it's controversial. Some people may not agree that it's they may think that it's kind of the easy way out, but in my opinion, if you're having fun and you're making a point, that's what it's all about. Keeping people involved and engaged in the art is far more important than splitting hairs of what's technically considered I don't know. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to send you some of those blanks, and I'm going to do a couple of videos that are showing those blanks using this pressure flaker, or probably a different pressure flaker, because I just put a brand new nail in here for you, so I don't want to dull it. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this, Kenton. If you have any questions, if anybody who watches these videos have any questions, please post them in the comments. As most of you know, I respond to every single comment that comes through on my page. So I hope everybody's staying safe, staying happy, and enjoying themselves. Remember to be kind. Remember to be a good, a good neighbor, a good person, and let's just love each other, and we'll get through this all together. So, Paleo Greenbird, and I'll talk to you later.